YouTubers, garden's coming along really nice. Look at this zucchini. They're growing in there like crazy. So we're going to be doing a lot of salad zucchinis. A lot of zucchinis going on. That one's growing up there. Yes? Okay. So, you see, right there. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure if that's the same plant. It looks like it, but it's not. Lots of zucchini here. I'm not seeing nothing on this plant here. I don't know what this is. This just started growing here, so I left it growing. We're going to pull the weeds today. There's my peppers. Ooh, these babies are going to come out nice and hot. I don't know when they're ready. I'm not sure when to harvest them, these peppers. I think when they're light green, because this one's dark green. See? Then there's my cherry tomatoes. Some of them are ready to be picked today. My corn stalks are really big. That one's already maybe 6 feet. So corn's coming along really nice. But I'm not sure when these are ready to pick, these peppers. Not too sure. But the garden's coming along really nice. Look at that. I even have potatoes here. Look. I have potatoes in there too. I can't believe it. So I'm getting Rain to help me here. Grab some of the weeds here. And I have to have a better plan next year for the weed problem. Right, Rain?
Yeah.
We're going to have a better plan in place, because this is a joke. Because we can't be spending hours out here ripping weeds out of the yard. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to figure something out for next year. I'm going to put planks of wood in between. And it's very hard for weeds to grow through wood. But we've been eating off the salads. The salads have been rolling. So we got salad heads in there rolling. There's one right there. It's rolled up. You take it out and you eat it like you just bought it from the store. That one I took already. This one's full. That one doubled up. That's growing nice. But I'm very, very happy to see the progress this thing's going through this summer. It's my first real garden. The last year was an absolute disaster. Nothing grew. And the weeds took over and I couldn't keep up. But that's that, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to be busy this weekend.